Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my at-home micro needling using this tool, the Banisher 2.0. But nag-upgrade na sila sa kanilang, or they have new upgraded version ng micro needling tool, which is called Banisher 3.0. So maraming nalilito na akala nila yung 2.0, yung 3.0 is yung length ng needles. Actually, no. So, lahat po nung kanilang microneedling tool, ang binibenta lang po nila ay 0.5 millimeter length ng needles. So, kahit na yung 2.0 and 3.0, 0.5 millimeters lang po yun. Soon, i-discuss po yung mga details kung ano yung pagbabago or yung difference nilang dalawa nung Banisher 2.0 and itong Banisher 3.0. Kasi ayoko namang itapon na lang to kasi pwede pa siyang gamitin itong Banisher 3.0. So sayang naman kasi pareho lang naman yung needles nila. Siya nga po pala para po sa mga bago dito sa aking channels or sa aking TikTok account or sa aking FB page. Ipapakita ko po yung mga pictures ko before, especially yung sa aking acne scars. And I will also include na din yung mga pictures ko when I had my acne breakouts para makita nyo yung improvement na ng skin. Alright, so mag-start na po tayo. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe. And then po sa aking channel. Bye!